Ever wonder where all your money disappears by the end of the month? Welcome to WealthWise with Mike. Today we're breaking down the 50-30-20 rule, the simple budgeting method that could transform your finances. The 50-30-20 rule splits your income into three categories. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, bills. 30% for wants, dining out, hobbies, streaming. 20% for savings or debt repayment, pay off what you owe or build wealth. If you earn $3,000 a month, $1,500 goes to needs, $900 to wants, $600 to savings or debt. It's that simple and flexible to your lifestyle. This method helps you control spending, avoid debt traps, and actually build wealth without overcomplicating your budget. Try the 50-30-20 rule this month and watch your money work for you. Subscribe for more smart money moves.